déjame ver el perro caminar. Go, walk the dog. Walk the dog. Come on, walk the dog, Shiloh.
See, pull it in. You see?
Pull him. Walk him.
He's walking. Yeah, see? He's pulling in.
Yes. Bring him over here.
Walk the dog.
Bring him over here. Come on, bring him.
Yura, ven, Yura.
Can you imagine?
Ven, Yura, ven.
No, espera, deja que...
Hey. Buddy, go. Bring him to me.
Ya, Yura.
Wait.
Ven acá.
Hey, buddy.
Ya deja sin más, perdón.
Mira, amarro el cuello.
Bring him to me.
Ven acá. Yura. Ven. Fuera como se pone a jugar con
No, don't. Oh.
Bring him to me. Come on. Come on.
It would be nice if we really did, bro.
That's so cool.
¿Verdad? Sería bueno que de verdad lleva ayuda.
Look at this. Whoa.
Yeah.
No puede con Yura. Tiene que llamarlo. Llama a Yura, a ver si va. Yura. Ven.
Hey, little puppy.
Ven.
Hey, buddy. I bet if you put a plate of food over here, he'll definitely pull him. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Good boy. No biting.
Ya se le curó el digestivo que tenía función a la...
Catata.
Sí. El moquillo, ¿no? ¿Cómo se llama?
Eso era como... Estaba moco amarillo por la nariz.
Sí.
Sí.
Woo, you're full. You ate too much.
Catado.
Estaba moco.
Don't do that to daddy. No.
Cuando está hermoso, estaba moco amarillo.
Yeah, I know. But I don't want him to do that because he's going to be a very big dog.
Dime algo de gimnasio. ¿Llamaste por fin o no has llamado?
No.
¿No llamaste el lunes?
No.
Tenía que llamar el lunes.
Hold on, Mom. Come on, bring him. Bring him.
Ya, está muy largo already.
Tiene que amarrar el cuello.
Bring him to me. Go. Bring him. Bring him. Come on, buddy.
You should have seen him before.
Mira con la mano.
Hey. I love you too.
Tienes que llamar el lunes.
Ya acabé. Ven, Yura.
I know, Mom, but I have my own things. I forgot.
Yo sé, pero tú vas a